Do you think this product can be used as a vacuum fixture? Let's look at the overall structure. It looks like this. Make a vacuum inside. Let's look at the details first. These are all arcs. The wall thickness is 1 millimeter. It's an R1. Only this little bit is a facet. Guys, do you think you can make a vacuum? Yes, brother. You can call one. No, bro. Type 2. I see how many brothers have used similar vacuum jigs. This goes directly to a stiffener, like the sidewall. A brother said some time ago, a vacuum fixture cannot be made inside this product, because the structure is more complicated. You just saw it. In fact, I only answered him one sentence. Everything can be sucked. It doesn't matter if you have a flat bevel or a large curved surface. You can suck as long as you have noodles. We know, the force of vacuum, its size is mainly determined by the area. As long as your area, the force that can support the processing of this product, we can make vacuum furniture. So let me share with you the processing flow of this product. Everyone learns for reference. First, we have a vise. Process all the inner cavities in place. Note that we need to make a precise size in the structure. It is convenient for us to cooperate on the fixture later. I am in this position. Made a fine size with this position. What about the ground? We put it directly on the fixture. Just suck it. Just take out all this curved surface, and it's okay. Turn off the vacuum. Brothers, is it easier? What about this product? As long as the overall appearance is controlled within 10 items, it is okay. This structure is still relatively good. Lots of stiffeners in the middle, plus it's a 7075 material. So its overall deformation is completely controllable. Like small batch products, we use vacuum profiling fixtures. Absolutely the best. Just put it on and suck it and get it done. The most annoying thing about our products is pinch and bruise. Sometimes the force of making screws is too large and small, and it is even. Vacuum is relatively stable. Alright guys, today's video will be shared with you here. If you like my brother, remember to like, follow, and support it. If you are interested in learning 3, 4, 5-axis programming, in-depth, machining technology, and fixture design, remember to check the homepage or private message.